Now Kal had said that द्वादश पंथ करूं मैं साजा और नाम तुम्हारा लेई करूं आवाजा। द्वादश पंथ नाम जो लेही सो हमरे मुख आन समोई। Which are those 12 sects? और अनेक अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट और अनेक पंथ चलाऊं या विद जीवों को भरमाऊं। जाओ जोग जित संसारा जीव न माने कहा तुम्हारा। नाउ वी विल सी बोध सागर कबीर वाणी द चैप्टर। प्लीज सी हियर, दिस इज कबीर सागर, complete 11 parts. It has been published from Khemraj Sri Krishnadas Prakashan, Bombay. Kabir Sagar Gyan Sagar, first part. Refined by Kabir Panthi Bharat Pathik Swami Yuglanand Bihari. I'm showing this to you so that no one should think that he might be showing something duplicate. All these proofs are given. You can see them. Printer and publisher Khemraj Sri Krishnadas. Director Sri Venkateshwar Press, Khemraj Sri Krishnadas Marg, Mumbai. This is a chapter Kabir Bani. In this Dwadash Panth Chalo So Bhed. Here it is written that Dwadash Panth Kal Furmana. Kabir Sahib is saying, भूले जीव न जाए ठिकाना, ताते आगम कही हमरा वंश हमार चूरामणि शाखा। प्रथम जग में जागू भरमावे, बिना भेद वो ग्रंथ चुरावे। दूसर सुरति गोपाल ही होई, अक्षर जो जोग दृढ़ावे सोई। Now there is information about the 12 sects started by Kal on the name of Kabir Sahib. Here it is in the form of verses. Now I will show you in the form of prose. Please see this. This is Kabir Charitra Bodh. That was Kabir Bani. This is Kabir Charitra Bodh in this Kabir Sagar itself. And this is page 1817 Bodh Sagar. Page 1870. What is written here? Description of the sects of Kabir Sahib. This is in prose form. Number 1 here is Narayan Das's sect. Now they have committed a mistake here. They should have written Churamani sect because Narayan Das had not accepted the knowledge of Kabir Sahib. How can he be of the Kabir sect? It is well understood by those who are associated with the Kabir Panth. It is mainly for them and along with them it is for you too. Now they say the first one is Narayan Das, this is Churamani. The second is the sect of Jagodas, it is his Panth. And the third is Surat Gopal, fourth is Mool Niranjan, Taksari Sakt is fifth, the sixth is Bhagwan Das's sect, seventh is Satnami sect, eighth is Kamali sect. It is not Kamali, it is Kamal's Panth. Ninth, Ram Kabir sect. 10th is Prem Dham Ki Vani sect. 11th is Jiva sect. And 12th is Garib Das's sect. Do remember the 12th is Garib Das's sect. The first is not Narayan Das. Here it should be Churamani. I will show you further. The rest is okay in this. Now we have to come back on Kabir Bani. In chapter Kabir Vani, we are reading on page 136. Dwadas Panth Chalo So Bhed. Dwadas Panth Kal Furmana. In these 12 sects, only Kal's mantra will be recited. He will dominate in them. And Bhule Jeev Na Jaye Thikana. ताते आगम कही हम राखा, वंश हमार चूरामणि शाखा. Now here they have made changes. Here they should have told that first is Churamani and second is Jago. They have made Jago as the first here. Whereas if you see here, the second is Jago. Please see here in Kabir Charitra Bodh. Here it is. First is Narayan Das, second is Jagodas. There they have written Jagodas as the first. It is said Chor Churave Tombadi. We have come back again to Kabir Vani. Chor Churave Tombadi और वो गड्ढे पानी में वो गड्ढे व ऊपर आवे ना सच्चाई छानी ने. Here they have tried to cause a jumble. They have tried to put Narayan Das in Kabir Panth whereas he had never accepted it. This sect has started from Chudamani, which has reached till Damakheda. Apart from it, these other fake sects have been started by the fake gurus, the messengers of Kal. Please see here. In this, there are some good souls. Example, great men like Garib Das Ji. God had sent him to impart his knowledge. Please see here. Dwadas Panth Kal Furmana, Bhule Jeev Na Jaun Thikana, Tate Agam Kahi Hum Rakha. Vansh Hamar Churamani Shakha. This is wrong. It should have been written here that first is Churamani, second is Jagodas, then third is Surati Gopal, and fourth Mool Niranjan Bani, and the fifth Taksar sect, then Jiva sect, then Satnami sect. It is all here. Then Ram Kabir sect, All this Paramdham ki Bani sect. Now from here the 12th sect starts. It is stated that Samvat 17 se 75 hui. This should be 74. It has been misprinted as 75 by mistake. Tadin prem prakate jag soi. It is not 75, it is 74. So respected, the 12th sect is of Garib Das ji. I have shown it to you in prose section that it is Garib Das's sect. Respected Garib Das ji was born in village Chhodani, district Jhajjar, Haryana in Samvat 1774. Here it is misprinted as 1775. So here it is said that when the year 1774 will come, in this world love would appear. That is, he would tell the speech singing my glory. He would again disseminate my knowledge. God knew that when the messengers of Kal, they will enter the Kabir Panth, then they would also interfere with his speech. God Kabir's speech. They have made many changes in Kabir's Sagar according to them. So to rectify that and to complete that, God Kabir via his pious soul Garib Das ji, who was from the 12th sect, has given true knowledge with full details. It is a big scripture, the one we read. Now see. Now God is saying that Samvat 1775 hoi, it should be 74. Tadim prem prakate jag soi. Now what is he saying? Agya rahe brahm bodh lave, koli chamar sabke ghar khave. That is, he would reduce discrimination. So people from all castes started becoming Garib Das ji's disciples. Then what has been said about the 12th sect? Saakh hamari le jeev sumjhave, asankh janme thor na pave. Then he has said, 12वें पंथ प्रगट है बाणी, शब्द हमारे की निर्णय ठानी. That in 12th sect, the speech about my grandeur will again appear via Garib Das ji. With full details, it would be told. And those belonging to the 12th sect, that is Garib Das sect, including the other 11 Kabir sect, all these, it has been said that Shabd Hamare ka nirnay thani would try to decipher the meaning of my speech but will do misinterpretation. Then has said that Asthir ghar ka marm ni pave, ye 12 panth hami ko dhyave. All these 12 sects say that our root is Kabir Sahib. However, they all recite the mantras of Kal only. Please see. 12वें पंथ प्रगट है बाणी, शब्द हमारी के निर्णय ठानी. They will try to draw a conclusion of the speech but won't be able to do it properly. अस्थिर घर का मरम न पावे. That is, they cannot go to Satlok again. ये 12 पंथ हमी को ध्यावे. 12 पंथ हमी ही चली आवे. Wonderful. Kabir Sahib has said that in Garib Das's sect, I will myself come and I will run one sect after decimating all the other sects. Bolo Satgur Dev. So pious souls of God has not been able to come. He has sent his servant by providing his as it is power. Now you will see, you are seeing how the light of true knowledge is spreading in the world via internet, via television, via devotees, via books, via CDs and DVDs. God has made a splash for his children so that they quickly understand him and accomplish their main task which they have forgotten. Now see what is being said. That 12वें पंथ प्रगट है बाणी, साख हमारी ले जीव समझावें, असंख्य जन में ठौर न पावें. 12वें पंथ प्रगट है बाणी, शब्द हमारे की निर्णय ठानी. अस्थिर घर का मरम न पावे, ये 12 पंथ हमी को ध्यावे. 12वें पंथ हमी ही चल आवे. गॉड कबीर सेज आई विल कम माई सेल्फ एंड सब पंथ मिटा के एक ही पंथ चलावे. Then he says, प्रथम चरण कलजुग निर्याना, तब मगहर माडो मैदाना. Here God has done wonders. The first phase of Kalyug will be when I perform a divine act in Maghar. And from there I would depart along with my body. So that divine act was performed by God in the first phase. Now this middle generation has started when 5500 years of Kalyug have passed. In 1997, Kalyug completes 5505 years. This has been explained to you in detail many times with full calculations. Now what has been said ahead? 5500 पांचा, तब ये वचन मेरा होगा सांचा. Then he has said, धर्मदास मोरी लाख दुहाई, मूल शब्द बाहर ना जाई. This is बाहर ना जाई. This is मूल ज्ञान, core knowledge. पवित्र ज्ञान तुम जग में भाखो. Tell. But मूल ज्ञान तुम गुप्त ही राखो. गोई means hidden. मूल ज्ञान जो बाहर परही, बिचली पीढ़ी वंश हंस न तरही. 33 अरब ज्ञान हम भाखा, मूल ज्ञान हमने गुप्त ही राखा. मूल ज्ञान तुम तब लगी छिपाई, जब लग द्वादश पंथ मिट जाई. So pious souls, now all these sects have vanished. Consider this to be true. Now please see, let us show you another secret. We are reading Kabir Bani and we have come on page 134. Page number 136 and 137 we have read. Here details are given about the 13 sects of God Kabir. All the 13 sects have been mentioned. Although all are children of God only, whether they are entrapped with Kal, are standing in the boundary of Kal. Those fake 12 people who came were also children of God. But let's see what they are saying now. That in this, Pratham Vansh Uttam, this is Churamani. Second is Jagu. Third is Ahankari, Prachand. Fourth is Birah. Fifth is Nidra. Sixth is Udas. Seventh is Gyan Chaturai, that is Satnami, Taksari Panth, etc. And 8th Dwadas Panth Virod. 9th Panth Puja. 10th Prakash. 11th is Pargat Pasara. और 12वें वंश Pargat Hoye Ujiyara. 12th is of Garib Das Ji. Now what has God said is that the 12th descendant who will come, that is Garib Das Ji, through him there will be some brightness of my speech, my grandeur. It won't clarify everything. Now please see, 12वें वंश Pragat Hoye Ujiyara and 13th vansh descendant, this Das is sitting in front of you, Mete Sakal Andhiyara, and Eti Daga Kal ki Samai, nonetheless, Tatva Bindu ki Tek reh jai. And then it has been said that Kal will cause such great deceit, but even then the true spiritual knowledge will remain. He will not be able to curb it.